Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about how to make a CPA grip account. In this video we will demonstrate how to make a CPA grip account. We will also do a walkthrough of the interface and show you how to create your own offer wall and how to earn money by completing offers. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. CPA Grip is an industry leader in the affiliate marketing space, maintaining an impressive track record of success and publisher satisfaction since 2013. CPA Grip has sophisticated tools like Content Locker, URL or File Locker, Video Locker, Offer Walls, and Virtual Currency. So to get started with CPA Grip, click on the Register button on the top right corner. This is the sign up page. Here you need to fill some basic information like your name, email address, password, residence, etc., which is pretty easy, so we're skipping these steps here. Once you have filled all the required fields, then click on the register button and you will be then taken to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Let's first do a walkthrough of the interface. On the top left side of the page, you will see your name and your affiliate number. In the right corner, you can see the current server time in your time zone. Next to it is the chat icon. If anyone messages you directly, you will see a notification and you can view it from here. Next is the notification and alert icon, and the last is the settings icon. In the top of the left side bar, you will see the revenue made today in dollars. In the left side bar, you will see tabs like Dashboard, Statistics and Charts, Monetization Tools, Offer Tools, Post-Back Tools, Referral Program, Payment Center, Account Settings, and Support. This is your Dashboard tab. Here you will see the public live chat section between other members. You can also join in, but if you have created a new account, you must earn a minimum of $25 before participating in the public chat. In the chat section here in the left side, you will see the server time of the chat. Here you will see the messages conversation, and in the last you will see the username of the live members. On the top right side, this is the stats overview section. Here you will see your views, clicks, leads, revenue, and other statistics. Just below is the hourly stats section, which will be shown as a graph. Below is the account manager section. Here you will see the name and the contact details of your account manager. If you scroll down further, you will find the recently added offers, top performing offers, and latest industry news sections. This was all about the dashboard tab. The second tab is the statistics and charts tab. Click on it and you will see tabs like stats overview, daily breakdown, offer breakdown, tool breakdown, country breakdown. Click on the stats overview tab. On this page, you can find all your statistics. Here is a highlight of your views, clicks, leads, revenue, and EPC. From the top, you can filter these statistics. From this drop-down, you can set the time frame, and from here you can set the category. You can tick this box if you want to filter the below statistics based on the unique IP. And from here, you can also change the statistics view as a graph, pie chart, geographic, etc. Scroll down and you will see the country breakdown section, which shows statistics based on the country. This is the top device section. Here you will find the statistics based on various devices like desktop, mobile, and tablet. This is the top sites by domain section, which will show you the statistics according to the domain and clicks made on them. And in the last, you will see the offer breakdown section, which shows the statistics according to offers. Now come to the monetization tools tab. Click on it and you will find tabs like content lockers, URL or file lockers, video lockers, and offer walls. Click on the Content Lockers tab. Here on this page, you will see the content lockers that you have already created and its statistics. And if you have not created any content locker, you will need to create a new one. If you don't know what content locker is, then in simple words, a content locker is a pop-up that cannot be closed unless a user performs a desired action on your website. It is used to lock premium articles, specific features, ebooks, guides, and almost anything else. To create your content locker, click on the Create New Content Locker button. On the next page, tick this box to accept the terms of service and then click on the Continue button. This is the editor page for creating a content locker. Here, enter the name of your content locker. In this box, enter some description for it, and below select some of these options according to your preferences. And once you're done with creating your content locker, click on the Save button in the bottom right corner. Your content locker will be saved and you can see it here. Now you need to add the code of this content locker to your website or blog. For that, click on the Get Code button. And in the pop-up window, copy this code by using this Copy Code button. And then you need to add this script on the website you wish to protect. Use this Edit button to make changes in this content locker and use this Remove button to delete it. You can also create a locker for any URL or file by using this URL or File Lockers tab. You can lock a video using this Video Lockers tab and lock any offer wall using this Offer Walls tab. Just follow the same steps as we have shown earlier for content lockers. Now come to the Offer Tools tab, click on it, and you will see tabs like My Offers, RSS Offer Feed, JSON Offer Feed, CSV Offer Export. Click on the My Offers tab. On this page, you will see all the offers available for you. You can filter these offers by using the country drop-down and the category drop-down. You can also filter according to the device by using these options. In the offers list, you will see columns like type, category, image, title or description, payout, sort, my performance, net CR, which is conversion rate, and net EPC, which is earning per click. Try to find a suitable offer which has a high payout. Once you find a suitable offer, click on its title or description. In the pop-up window, you will find all the details regarding this offer. Below you will see the activity on this offer like clicks, leads, revenue, and EPC. And if you want to complete this offer, click here to copy the offer link and visit it. Once you have visited the website and completed the task, you will see its statistics and your earnings under the Statistics and Charts tab. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to make a CPA grip account. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.